This is the XQ11 Express Touring Car unboxing. Thanks to Steve McKinley of Speed RC for sending me this, and let me have the drive for Express UK. Let's see what's inside. Obviously, lots of bits. I'm doing this on my phone, so it's a bit tricky. Some stickers. And the almighty important instructions. There we go, we put them there. I haven't been doing touring car racing long, only just this year. I entered the National, I've done 4 rounds. I used the 81 car from Express, which is a drive shaft car, and I've also been using the XQ10R touring car, so which is quite good. But just my skill level in touring car isn't very good at the moment, because I normally do 12 scale. So Speed RC. So the XQ11 is a total new design from the XQ10R. New chassis, new upper and lower wishbones, and it's not an expensive kit compared to other brands of kits. I think at the moment it's about £400 from Speed RC. It might be a bit more than that. So yeah, the XQ10R didn't have these wishbones, and they're new. You can get softer, harder ones of those. You can get a top deck that's a split top deck. There's a few options you can buy for it, but not very expensive. I think basically this car, well, I know this car, you could build it and it'll be straight out the box, will go round half decent. I mean, if you're a touring car person and you know what you're doing, yeah, obviously you'll have to tinker with it to get the maximum performance. But I'm sure it's all good. I'm going to start building it. That's right. Frighteningly lots of bits. New chassis design compared to my XQ10R, and the top deck is a lot different as well. Instructions are nice and clear, and the actual size of the components in the bag, so you can't really go too wrong. So there you go. Yeah, like I was saying, getting options for it. It comes with the soft composite upper arms and the options are the hard composite arms. I mean, I know, I've had a look, they're only about £8 a pair, which is really good for touring car bits. I know you can put, in this here, you can put inserts. You can buy the inserts, so you can make it stiffer or with less flex. Oh, there we go, you see. The rear arms, I think that's it. But yeah, it looks all good. It shouldn't take too long, but it might take me quite a few days on and off, because obviously we have to work. There you go. Bit of an unboxing first for me. Hope you liked that. If you didn't like it, just let me know. I will say I've been told to take the bearings out, and I've put them in some brake cleaner. I got myself one of these because I saw Mark Jewett have one, so I had to have one. Good old Mark Jewett. So yeah, and take all the old oil out of them, and then I've got some of this stuff that's been around for a long time. It's been quite good, bearing oil. I'll have to re-bearing them up, oil them up. Right, so I'll bring you back when I've got started or halfway through. I'll catch you later. Thanks a lot.